How long can you mute someone on WhatsApp?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing a common feature on WhatsApp, the mute function, and more specifically, how long you can mute someone on this popular communication platform. Let's get started.
What is muting on WhatsApp?
Muting on WhatsApp is a convenient feature that allows you to silence notifications from specific chats or groups. When you mute a chat, you won't receive sound or vibration alerts for new messages, but you can still view these messages at your leisure.
How long can you mute someone on WhatsApp?
So, you might be wondering, just how long can you mute someone on WhatsApp? Well, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, WhatsApp has 3 default options. 1. 8 hours. This is the shortest mute option, perfect for when you just need a short break from a conversation. 2. 1 week. A medium-term option, good for when you're on vacation or need to focus on an important task. 3. Always. This is the longest mute option. When you choose this, you're effectively muting the chat indefinitely until you decide to unmute it. These options provide quite a bit of flexibility, so you can select the duration that best suits your needs.
How to mute and unmute a chat?
To mute a chat, you first need to open the chat or group you want to mute. Then, tap on the name of the contact or group at the top of the screen. This will open a new page with several options. Scroll down until you see the Mute option, tap on it, and then select the duration you desire. To unmute a chat, the process is similar. Open the chat, tap the name of the contact or group at the top, scroll down to the Mute option, which will now show as muted, tap it and select Unmute. That wraps up our video on the mute function on WhatsApp. We hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, the power to manage your notifications is in your hands. Enjoy using WhatsApp on your own terms, and we'll see you in our next video.